What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install or how to add roles on Discord. Firstly, launch the Discord desktop app or the app on your phone and then open the server where you want the add roles channel. Now, click the server name at the top left and then select server settings. Under the Apps tab, click App Directory and then search for CarBot. Select the bot with the green turtle logo. Just click Add to Server and then choose your server. Click Continue, then Authorize and complete human verification. No CarBot is added to your server. Developer mode is needed to copy message IDs for reaction roles. Just click User Settings, go to Advanced, and then turn on Developer Mode. Now go to Server Settings, click Roles, and then Create Role. Create roles based on your needs, for example, student, teacher, etc. And make sure CarBot's role is above all the roles it needs to manage. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.